Oh, today's Thursday. I don't know why I questioned what day it was, but I'm about to get ready, and I think I'm gonna film a little bit of that. And I'm not really doing a whole lot today, but I am combining the last 3 days vlogs because I didn't really film the last couple days just because I just didn't feel like filming, to be honest. But yeah, I filmed like a couple things, but not like much. I'm gonna do my makeup right now, and I'm gonna my makeup's done. I use the Milani, like one of those little palettes. It's the one with the orange in it and the like pinky color, the Everyday Eyes palette. And I use my LA Girl matte brown espresso liner, eyebrow powder. I still need to get my eyebrows done. They're growing out and getting a little bit unruly. And I haven't really done my hair. And I had an appointment today, but I canceled it. But yeah, and I just have on this gray t-shirt and dark gray leggings. I'm very gray today, which I mean, it's kind of is close to my mood because I'm just feeling a little bit blah today. I'm just not having like a great day. Feeling a little bit blah and not, I don't know. I might paint my nails later. I love this color. It's like a cool toned brown color from Butter London. As you can see, I've used literally like a lot of this. I've probably used close to half this bottle. It's Yummy Mummy. I think it was a Halloween collection one. I got it in a BoxyCharm. It's from Butter London. They might still have it. It said it lasts 30 months. I've had it for about a year. So, yeah. This is a really pretty color. I know you guys have seen me have this on before. But as a base coat, I always use the Super Greens by Pro Effects. I got from Walmart. Nail Strengthening Complex, I use that as a base. And as a top, I use the INM Out the Door. Which I like that one a lot more than, I can't remember what that one's called. The one that everybody uses. But that one is better than that one because it doesn't thicken up towards the end and get to where you can't use it. For highlight, I have on the lightest eyeshadow from that Milani palette. For blush, I have on the Balm Frat Boy bronzer, BH Cosmetics contour palette. And I have on a powder foundation today. Well, it's not really a powder foundation, but that's what I use it as. It just says pressed powder. It's Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in Sun Beige, number 310. And I use my Ulta Full Coverage Concealer, which I'm running low on. It's starting to get like kind of empty, as you can see the little marks. Yeah, it's starting to get really empty. And I really like that concealer, but it's not one that I like to write home about. Like, I would still buy other concealers. I prefer the Makeup Revolution concealer over that one a little bit. I feel like it has better lasting power. Though the Makeup Revolution doesn't say it's waterproof, and that one says it is, though the Makeup Revolution lasts longer. So, I don't know. And I have on the Brow Gal Tanya Crooks Powder Trio in my brows. I need to get a tweezer. I don't have any tweezers because I don't know what happened to mine. Like, my tweezers just went missing, so I haven't been able to pluck my eyebrows. That's why they look a hot ass mess. From far away you can't tell, but I can tell looking up close. Like, even on camera, it's not even picking up the extra hairs at the bottom. But, yeah. I need to clean my backyard. It's a big ass mess out here.